going to unbox this box. It's full of tape. There's no other box. And you have the box of the Red Wing filled with so many tapes. So it came from New York. The reason of the delay of this box is that on the day that this box was about to be boarded in a plane, or before the day, there was a typhoon or hurricane and a lot of rains in New York, to the point that the LaGuardia airport had been flooded. It was only when I asked Gabi what's the reason for the delay of the arrival of this package, and he sent me a link of a news saying that the LaGuardia International Airport in New York was flooded, and that's the reason why this package was delayed from New York to the Philippines. So we're going to unbox this item. Oh, I don't know. By the way, I am not fond of buying second-hand boots. There is only one instance that I bought a second-hand boots, because I know the person who is the first user of the boots. Oh my God, I can smell the leather. Except for that one pair of boots which I bought from a friend of mine here in the Philippines, all my boots are brand new. Okay? And this one is brand new. And the reason why is, first, I like the challenge in breaking a brand new boots. No matter what happens, I like the feeling of breaking it myself. And the second reason is I like the original smell of the leather of the boots. And we're going to unbox 8828 in 8.5D. I adjusted my size because there is some sort of my right foot getting bigger because of my gout. Okay, so in order to adjust the width, I adjusted also my size. So for the past, I think 4 orders that I got from Gabi, I adjusted my size from 8D to 8.5D, and I feel much comfortable as compared to 8D. Okay, so we're going to open. Wow. So this is how it looks. Beautiful. Oh my goodness. Oh. I like the smell. Oh my goodness. I like the smell of the leather. Wow. I think you have two sets of shoelaces. This is the leather one, and this is the usual black nylon. Wow. The reason why I like to order from Gabi is that he selects the pair of shoes that he is going to send. I think he knows a lot of people in those Red Wing stores in New York, to the point that he can select the best looking leather, and you can see very nice, no creases, everything is pristine, nice. This was inspected by Lisa. Inspected by Lisa 87828. It says, I have personally examined every detail of this shoe to make sure it meets our high quality standards. Thank you for buying our product. Very nice. And I asked Gabi to select the best. As compared when you order online, if you order online, of course, the salespeople on the online store will just pick any pair, and there's no, inspection or quality control. But ordering from Gabi, you're getting the best. I assure you, you're getting the best, because Gabi is very meticulous in selecting the best pair for you. Nice. So we're going to, this was made in 7/2023, so that's July of this year. I like the smell. We're going to tie the shoelaces.